Researchers have continually had the theory that there is a sun simulator in outer space or in near-Earth orbit, and that is being used to cloak or hide Planet X or other planetary bodies that have been seen and photographed and videotaped in the skies for the past 2 years. Now, we have found some patents for projects and sun simulators that have been built. However, we do not have the smoking gun or absolute concrete evidence that there is a sun simulator in space or a series of sun simulators around the Earth that are producing what we consider to be completely fake sun. Will repeat myself, we have not been able to prove beyond a shadow of a doubt that there is a sun simulator in space, fooling all of us. Now, this article has come out and it says, "Let there be light. Germans switch on the largest artificial sun. Scientists hope the experiment, which can generate temperatures of around 3,500 degrees Celsius, will help to develop carbon neutral fuel."
And I was just checking it out, and I shared it with the doctor. And we were previewing the video and the still shots, the screenshots. Amazing what we think we uncovered here.
I will repeat myself, we have not been able to prove beyond a shadow of a doubt that there is a sun simulator in space, fooling all of us. Now, this article has come out and it says, "Let there be light. Germans switch on the largest artificial sun. Scientists hope the experiment, which can generate temperatures of around 3,500 degrees Celsius, will help to develop carbon neutral fuel."
Uncover some vital information here on the possibilities, once again, of this sun simulator and what it is hiding. Now, I'm going to go over the video with you. I'm going to let it play. I want you to watch very carefully what is right here behind the sun. You're going to see focal point projections coming from what this object is. And I mean this light source right here.
So we basically live on very young planets, and our sun would even be considered, a young star. Mm-hmm. It has a lot of life left in it.
Looks very active, and from the observations that we've done, there are lots of objects close to it. I think in a way the sun is reacting to these objects and becomes unstable. The coronal holes, there's a coronal hole that was facing the Earth, and so we're getting hit with the cosmic rays coming from the sun, high energy particles. We're going to be hit very soon by fast solar wind, and the solar wind seems to be getting faster and faster. So everything looks uncomfortable for our planet, let's put it that way. We are having already a lot of earthquakes, and I think that will increase because of this. But yes, I see a lot of solar flaring, a lot of activity on the sun, and plus we have these coronal holes. So we're getting both sides. These objects do cause the coronal holes, and they do seem to cause reactions from the sun. I have seen that happening for quite a few months now, that the sun seems to first become very quiet. Sometimes it actually goes dark, loses light emission, and then suddenly it reacts in a strong manner. and we get these CMEs, huge CMEs, and solar flares. And there we are. We see a lot of, and we see the coronal holes there.
I'm trying to get to the
The
211, and
Yes.
for some reason it's bringing up a green planet or a green sun. I don't know what's happening here.
Oh my goodness, here we are.
Okay, this is
I think that's a composite.
no, this is completely wrong.
It is. It's showing the wrong image.
Yeah, and I'm clicking on the right image.
Mm.
This is basically like an X-ray scan of the sun. This gives us a better view of what is actually going on with the coronal holes on the sun.
Mm.
Now, you may just see in some of the other views of SDO, you may just see, a coronal hole here, a coronal hole there. This actually shows you the massive weakness in the corona underneath, what you really can't see. Okay, just like an X-ray, at the hospital or the doctors, they need to see what's inside. And that's what this view is showing you. And you're looking at a very large portion of the sun facing us that is one massive coronal hole from the north to the south, regions of the sun. So over the period of the next 5 to 7 days, all of this is going to be coming directly towards us. I mean, it's already started to happen earlier today. We're going to continue to see these pulses come in, a lot of solar and cosmic energy impacting the Earth. Once those particles penetrate, it really starts to heat up the core. The doctor has done a fantastic report on that today. She finished it up and put a video of herself onto her Planet X Physicist channel. Very good, in-depth report. Once again, if any of you would like to own the report, you know exactly what to do. And what we're looking at here is a very serious situation. This is going to increase the earthquake activity and volcanic activity, of which we have 38 of them erupting right now on this planet. 38.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nothing to sneeze at, folks. Now, what we're looking at here leads to the potential possibilities of multiple. I'm not buying any of the garbage that the debunkers spew when it comes to this, because they don't really come up with credible information. They just basically come right out and just call you a liar and make fun of you, call you an idiot, and that's it.